Hello guys, welcome to Taylor's Word episode 3. Today we're making a special video and it will be Plumber Zombie tier list. Now, here's something I will not round, like Explodonut, Big Walnut, Big Sunflower, Big Marigold, Back Repeater, Sprout, and Tree of Wisdom. Now let's get started. Starting with Pea Shooter. Pea Shooter. Here, basic line of defense, going in C tier. Well, if you don't like Potato Mine, you still use Pea Shooter, but you like Potato Mine a lot. And if you like Snoopy, you don't use this. Or maybe you use 9 levels, you use this C tier. Then the Sunflower, S tier. Sunflower. That's it. Sunflower. Well, you use them. The roof level, you have twin sunflower, but I like doing sunflower more. Sunflower will be S tier. Now Cherry Bomb. C tier. Higher than Pea Shooter. Cherry Bomb will be good because because you can clear 3 by 3 away. Will be C tier. Walnut. Our first B tier. You could do a pretty good thing with Walnut and blocking something. Potato Mine. A tier. Potato Mine. Good. Potato Mine will be good because you use them in almost every level because the Potato Mine strat. Next is Snoopy will go in higher B tier. High B tier. Snoopy, use them in night and day and nowhere else, but it phrases a B tier. Chomper, D tier. Chomper looks pretty cool. He chomps, but so long to chew. His burner will for 42 seconds. So A tier, bear. Not the worst. Repeater, higher C tier. Repeater, I don't use it much. I use it Snoopy much. So C tier. Puffdrum. Everyone thinks Puffdrum is S plus tier, but in adventure, I'll do an adventure mode. Sorry, I didn't do it. Didn't do it in the first time. Puffdrum S tier, lower than Sunflower. Using Night and Fog every level, you don't miss it. And you can use night level without Sunflower because Puffdrums are just great. Sunshroom. I don't use so much. D tier. Sunshroom get overwhelmed because of Sunflower. So D tier. Field Shroom. Oh, you use it because Gloom Shroom, so higher A tier. Nothing to say more. Now, it's be design because you just must graves in this strength it will be E tier, lower than Chomper, but in design pretty cool, huh? Because of design, C, D tier, but higher. Hypnoshroom. Nothing to more say that. Scary Shroom. I use the night levels, some light levels, almost all light levels, and some fog levels, but not using very much, so lower C tier. Oh, it's a pea shooter with 25 cost, so between repeater and pea shooter. Ice Shroom. I see. A B tier. Because you'll freeze it. I don't use it at roof level, but you could use your roof level, so B tier. Doom Shroom. Everybody knows. Everybody knows Doom Shroom are S+ tier. No doubts about it. Buddha. You Lily. Pool time, then you have to be Lily Pad. In fall levels, you do Lily Pad because of Cattail. So C tier here. Squash, the perfect instant. S tier. Squash, reef levels, pool levels, you use it. Maybe fog levels, you use it. So S tier. Repeater. So better than Sunshine, but not better than Grave Buster because Grave Buster is super cool. Pichu is repeater, repeats, but 325%. It's more than Melon Bolt. That's like the D tier, but not more than Shensu and Google. You could only use it water. You unlock it and use it every pool and fog. C tier, but it's lower than B shooter because it's one time. Jalapeno. I don't know where to put it. I think I put it in very high D tier. Use it pool time, but I don't use it. So D tier. This is adventure mode time. Tier list. So even though it's survivals, it'll get like S tier. Even they get S tier, the survival maybe then it'll be. Then the adventure mode I don't use it, so D tier. Spike Queen. Pop tires and you don't do nothing. You can't even kill a zombie. What? Then it has to be F tier. Torchwood. I don't use torch. Like it's right now you use it. Very helpful. Then you don't use it. You're bound that. So easier. Below Chomper. Tall nut. Very strong. Roof level you could pretty good. So A tier. Potato might be more good. C Shroom. You use it fog and you don't use it every time. You are going in D tier, man. Harvest Sentry. Planter. This will be another design character because he just lights up. Design. Pretty cool, huh? It is little bit cute. So with that design, Michelangelo here. Cactus. No doubts about it. Blower. Just design, I think, because blow away and do nothing. A tier, but iron chopper. Because of design, split bee. Wow. Starship. Good, pretty good. A tier. Pumpkin. I don't use it, but you can use it because Glue said, and you use pumpkin to not use the walnut. A tier. This is magnesium. Magnesium you use it for night and you don't use every time you even have coffee because it will be a you can't do gargantulas. D tier above Gravebuster. No, above jalapeno. Cabbage bowl. Yay, cabbage bowl. You use it in 5-1 and you never use it again because kernel pot is here. Flower pot. Where should it go? I think it will be here. Kernel. That's too good. That's too good. That's too good. Coffee bee. Use it. I should use it to wake the shoe. You use it to wake little shoe. And nothing else because not mushrooms, but wait, pretty good things. So, B tier above Snoopy. Okay, Snoopy, go. Right? Yes. Golly. Glue, you use it and use it in one roof levels and you'll never use it again. B tier. Umbrella leaf, I never use it. It will be a waste of slot if you use it in adventure mode. Bungees are not that good. Not that annoying, so Glow Chomp. Marble, I don't use it, but you get the coins to buy imitator because there's 30,000, so you, because of that, and it looks pretty cute. D tier. Yep, D tier. Melon pot, so big, so good, but I don't use it because 300. But you'll get super goods. No. I have to use it. Twin sunflower, Guru, Cattail, and nothing else is a Gallopy. So except for this three, it'll get what I think it will be. Gallopy, A tier. No, that's not. A tier, but below kernel poop because expensive and you don't use it roof. Twin sunflower, I don't use it. Go and eat your. Go and eat here and cry. But sunflowers don't cry. Glue design, pretty good, pretty cool, and attack animation super, and it's so good. S plus. Cattail. Wolf. 842, Mom. Sorry, my mom was calling. A tier, but you using just spool not good to start fruit. Melon pot. No, it's winter, but it's winter. It costs 200. It will not be good. Another S plus tier going here. Wood magnet, completely useless. Spike rock, also completely useless, but not as useless as gold magnet. Gold cannon is damage good, but costs 700 because and you can't use pumpkin, and it gets 2 tiles. So because not the bottom of the D tier, go D tier. Imitator. You can use pretty good things. 2 gloom shrooms, I'll take that. 2 gloom shrooms, I'll take that. 2 cattails? Maybe. 2 cop cannons? No. Wait. 2 cherry bombs? Okay. Imitated. Good. A tier. We should be B tier. Right here. Oh, that's our tier list. Unranked, exploder nut, big walnut, back repeater, big sunflower, big marble. I think it's huge sunflower, huge marble. Sprout out, the tree of wisdom, F tier, hypnoshroom, spike wheat, split pea, spike rock, gold magnet, cactus, E tier. Clover, chomper, umbrella leaf, twin sunflower, torchwood, and cabbage gold, D tier. Margold, magnoshroom, jalapeno, rave buster, repeater, sea shroom, cop cannon, sand shroom, cherry bomb, repeater, C tier, cherry bomb, repeater, scary shroom, flower pot, lily pad, pea shooter, planter, and tangle coat. B tier is coffee bean, snow pea, walnut, ice shroom, and garlic. A tier, turtle bolt, darling pea, field shroom, starfood, cattail, imitator, potato mine, pumpkin, and column. S tier, winter melon, sunflower, squash, and puff shroom. S plus, gloom shroom, doom shroom, and melon ball. Some people want to rank those. So if I do, but if you don't want to see this, just don't see it and click the like button and subscribe. Even if you see it, just click the like button and subscribe. Just do it. Explode Donut will explode because Explode Donut. And even now, if you eat the explode, it will be pretty cool. This beat here. Big walnut, I think will be same health as Donut because it's big. So I think original will, I love the original one. So this back repeater, split pea, but without pea shooter head. It can't defend itself, so it will be pretty F tier, but below cactus. Hey, what? Below cactus. Big sunflower with twin sunflower. Violet, the original one more. What? My controls are jacking. Hey, stop! Stop it! Stop! Margot, big Margot, just saving Margot. I think, but it'll produce more coins, I think. There'll be... sorry, my controls are jacked. Sprout will be not good. Too bad it doesn't do anything. With Tree of Wisdom, you can do hacking things. A tier, no S tier. Here. Okay, that was the end of my video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.